Hello, folks. I'm not doing anything about the election, but I am planning to pick up some stuff for myself and a few other people. Grocery shopping. First thing, before anything goes wonky or people going blah, 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 go watch my friend Steve at Corsair's Trainer. Get the best update. Or you check out, if your power problems, go check out Reed at Manifestation of Imagination. For you gardener types, I go check out, and cooking, go check out Martha at Old School Prepper. And I just sent an envelope on designs on knitwear for babies. Anthony at Permitto Prepared. Okay, check these folks out. Now I do have a new playlist called Sextant and Land Navigation. A lot of people I have to call on because if you're going to take out a boat out in the ocean, you better know how to do dead reckoning and you better know how to do celestial navigation, or you're going just in a big circle out in the ocean, lost forever. Now, Steve understands that. I understand that. But a lot of people, they don't understand that. Okay, please check out these people right here. Check out Wayne, the ungrateful peasant. Yes, we are in a banana republic, and the biggest ones who are cheating are the Democrats. I don't know who's paying up, but if you follow the money like I did with this one group, I thought I was going to be short, but deeper I dig, worse it gets. And it's mostly the Chinese communists. And they said, they threw in the towel, and they said that Trump won. Because sooner or later, next 2 months, either, Biden will have a stroke and is in the hospital because the Democrats don't want to leave any trace and they don't want Biden to testify because they don't trust him. So, that's what's going to do Biden if he doesn't win. And they're trying their best rig and fix the election. Honest. So we'll just wait and see what's out in the outcome is. I tell a lot of people to stockpile. Stockpile food for everything. Stockpile food, water, gas. It's too late for arms and ammo. You should have bought it when I told you. But nobody ever listens to old Uncle Al. That's fine. Now, please make sure you watch these people right here. JW did an excellent one. Sorry. Been doing the prayer group. JW did an excellent one. JW Rock and Roll on framing hammers. Please check that out. It's a very good video. Please follow all these people. Oh, Matt of Second Star Survival. Please be careful and make sure you have a go bag when you're exploring the unknown or paranormal, because there's holes number 6 that I can't tell you what's going on, but if you fall through it and you land someplace you don't know, pray to God you have a go bag. Check out all these people right here. Welcome back, Galvin. Great archery video. And we got all these people right here. Please check them out. AKFAB has certain problems. She's in Minnesota. That explains everything. And let's let's talk about Tyler, if he's still alive. Okay. And be sure to check out all these fine people right here. Especially Tina's channel, Colette Faye, and Adventures of Frank and Tina. All right, you know they're trying to cheat the best. because mail-in ballots sort of screwed him. Because I told the Democrats, either take my dad's vote off or I'm going to sue you. He's been dead for 40 years. So you know what that means? They're using dead people, dead cats. Meow, meow, meow. Tell that to Hubble's cat. And their prime minister, the Klingon, says it's okay to behead people, to attack teachers, and to castrate little girls. Great. Grow some balls, Kenneth. Throw that freak out. Or are we throwing freaks towards you? Myself, I am stockpiling, preparing for the worst. Because you know, either one's going to get elected. Doesn't matter who. The leftist, the loony left. The crazies are going to do something horrible in the major big cities. Anything east of the Mississippi, they're going to target. So watch your kids. They're out there. They got the number 7 moon madness, mountains of the moon. So they're all going and do like Steve says. Be prepared. Don't take any actions until necessary. Now, if they're coming towards your house with Molotov cocktails, they got a one-way ticket at seeing that Molotov explode in their hand from my 12 gauge, and they're annihilated. Okay? Just be calm. If you can't find the black shiny rifles, get a deer rifle. A good one, and sight it in with a scope. Step back about 300 to 400 feet or yards and blow their fucking heads off. Sorry about the cursing. That's the truth. All right? And big thing is, you want to go after all the medias. Guess who bought them out? And I'll tell that in a later video, but it isn't Michael Bloomberg, because who's been getting $151 billion from them? Michael Bloomberg. And his client is Red China. They're paying $151 billion to affect the elections, to do all this chaos here. So yeah, Bloomberg TV, tell them to go fly and whatever, and that's one of your things. Tell, who else is in the kitty? Tesla, Ford, Volvo, and Mercedes-Benz. They all support Black Lives Matter. All the tech companies are supporting Black Lives Matter, up to 39%. Let's have a freedom ring. Deport Tom Arnold out of America. Just say, sorry, you're no longer a U.S. citizen. You're a terrorist. Leave. So deport Tom Arnold. Make a t-shirt. Deport Tom Arnold. Throw him out. Like I said, a lot of Hollywood types are in this deal. They're all leftists. And go check in their basement, see for sacrificial bodies. Okay? I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice night.